How to Google Maps Street View iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can do a street view on Google Maps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically enable Street View on Google Maps on iPhone, it's relatively simple. You just have to open up the Google Maps application and then you will see this type of interface here. Now what you have to do is to simply scroll or just go to this layers icon as you can find here. Then here you'll find satellite or default view. But where is the street view? Well, you can see over here you have street view option, so tap on it and then you will be able to enable maps in street view after tapping that layers icon over there. This way you can do Google Maps Street View. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.